How to turn on communications on your Roblox mobile. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you today how to do this. Just follow this video till the end. So first you need to open your Roblox like this. After this you have to come directly to this 3 point right here, and then go and open your settings, and then privacy. After this you will wait little until they show you like an options of privacy. So now you have to scroll down, you will find communication you want to turn on it. Just click on it and click default, and as you see it change it. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.